Welcome back, coin lovers and history seekers. In today's fascinating journey into the world of numismatics, we explore one of the most talked about and widely collected Lincoln wheat pennies. We are diving deep into the world of American wheat pennies, and we are focusing on a coin that has captured the attention of collectors around the world. The 1956 wheat penny in very fine condition. While many people still overlook these classic United States 1-cent coins, serious collectors know just how special they can be. This coin may look simple at first glance, but its story, its minting details, and its rising value in today's numismatic market make it a true gem worth learning about. So sit back and enjoy as we explore its history, features, rarity, and impressive auction market value in dollars. The 1956 wheat penny comes from the final years of the iconic Lincoln wheat cent series, which ran from 1909 to 1958. These coins were designed by Victor David Brenner and feature the famous profile of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse. The wheat head reverse design, symbolizing prosperity and strength, served as an important image during America's early 20th century economic journey. The Denver Mint produced this 1956 penny during a time of growing economic activity in the United States, just after World War II and during the post-war boom. Although millions were minted, very few survived today in well-preserved collectible condition, making desirable examples a special find for collectors. This 1956 1-cent wheat penny carries several design elements that collectors appreciate. On the front side, you will see a detailed portrait of Abraham Lincoln facing right, along with the words "In God We Trust" at the top, Liberty on the left, and the date 1956 on the right, followed by the small but important D Mint mark representing the Denver Mint. Flip the coin over and the reverse displays two elegant wheat stalks on each side, framing the words 1 cent and United States of America, with the motto E Pluribus Unum above. In very fine condition, you can still see sharp lines on Lincoln's coat, clear lettering, and noticeable detail in the wheat stalks, making the coin attractive and valuable to collectors. Even though the Denver Mint struck a large number of these pennies, coins from this era in very fine condition are not always easy to find today, especially with strong details and original surfaces. Many 1956 pennies circulated heavily, becoming worn or damaged over time. Collectors highly value examples that retain crisp details and a clean appearance. The demand for wheat pennies has remained strong over the decades, and with new collectors entering the market every year, coins like this one continue to grow in popularity. The nostalgia factor, historical importance, and classic design all contribute to its rising demand. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know: the market value. While a standard circulated 1956 penny may not seem extraordinary, a very fine condition example stands out. In today's auction market, especially when collectors are searching for high-quality wheat cents to complete their sets, this coin can command impressive attention. Premium examples in this grade have been known to reach strong bidding prices, and depending on condition, eye appeal, and buyer demand, they can reach a solid $63,500 amount in the collector market today. The best preserved examples can surprise buyers, selling for much more than expected due to strong collector competition in auctions. If you are interested in collecting a 1956 wheat penny, there are a few helpful tips to keep in mind. Always look for sharp details, especially on Lincoln's hair, coat lines, and the wheat stalks on the reverse. Avoid heavily scratched or cleaned coins. Original luster and natural tones are more valuable to collectors. Try to buy from trustworthy dealers or certified auctions to ensure authenticity. Investing in a graded example can also provide peace of mind and help preserve value long-term. Lastly, store your coins properly in a protective holder or album to prevent damage from moisture or handling. The 1956 wheat penny in very fine condition is more than just a simple old 1-cent coin. It represents American history, a beloved design era, and a strong collector market that continues to grow. Whether you are just starting your coin collecting journey or expanding your rare wheat penny collection, this coin stands as a smart addition. Its detail, nostalgic charm, and increasing auction interest make it a prized piece for collectors around the world. Next up, we are talking about one very special piece from American numismatic history. The Lincoln Memorial 1 cent from the year 1959 with the D Mint mark, found in very fine condition. At first glance, many may overlook this tiny copper-red beauty, but true collectors know that certain coins from this year have caught the attention of the auction market, with rare errors and special varieties reaching remarkable values in dollars. This is not just about copper and cents. It is about history, craftsmanship, and the thrill of discovering hidden value in the smallest corners of currency. Let us begin with the history of this iconic penny. 1959 was a groundbreaking year for United States coinage. It marked the very first year the Lincoln Memorial design replaced the earlier wheat ears design on the reverse of the penny. President Abraham Lincoln remained on the front, honoring the legacy that started in 1909, but the back now featured the bold and majestic Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. The Denver Mint, symbolized by the D mint mark just below the date, produced millions of these coins, but only certain high-grade pieces and rare varieties survive today in collectible condition. This coin represents the start of a new chapter in American cent design and stands as a tribute to Lincoln's enduring legacy. Now let us talk about the unique features of this coin. On the obverse side, you will notice the sharp portrait of Abraham Lincoln facing right, with the inscriptions "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the year 1959 placed clearly around it. Beneath the date rests the D mint mark, indicating it was struck in Denver. On the reverse, the Lincoln Memorial stands proudly, and if you look closely, you can spot the tiny seated statue of Lincoln inside, a feature many people do not notice until they examine the coin carefully. The lettering United States of America, the motto E Pluribus Unum, and the denomination 1 cent frame the monument beautifully. When found in very fine condition, the coin still displays strong detail on Lincoln's hair and coat, and visible lines on the memorial columns, making it stand out from worn circulation pieces. Rarity and collector demand play a major role in giving this penny its excitement in the numismatic world. While the 1959 D penny itself is not extremely rare, what makes it stand out are special die varieties, early strikes with sharp details, and rare reported error types that have occasionally surfaced in auctions. Coins that have survived decades with clean surfaces, natural copper toning, and minimal wear attract serious collector interest. Every now and then, rumors and discoveries of unique variations or anomalies from this first memorial year spark bidding wars among collectors. Even without major errors, a very fine, sharply detailed example from this historic first-year issue holds significant collector appeal. Moving on to current market value in dollars. A standard circulated 1959 D penny may not look extraordinary, but in very fine condition, especially if sharply struck and free from damage, it can attract collectors. However, some rare pieces linked to this year, including special varieties and mystery coins, have reached jaw-dropping auction figures. Certain examples connected to the 1959 Lincoln cent have shocked the market, with select pieces selling for $56,000 due to rarity controversies and collector interest. Yes, in rare special cases, these coins can bring huge big value in the dollar market, making them worth paying attention to in your pocket change and old collections. Now let us discuss important tips for collectors. When searching for valuable Lincoln Memorial cents, always examine the coin under good lighting or with a magnifying glass. Look for sharp details, strong strike, and original luster if possible. Pay attention to any doubling, struck-through errors, off-center strikes, or unusual die marks. These tiny variations can turn an ordinary penny into a high-value treasure. Store your coin safely inside a protective holder to maintain its condition and avoid cleaning it, as cleaning can seriously reduce its collector value. Patience, research, and careful observation are your greatest tools when hunting valuable cents from this era. The 1959 D Lincoln Memorial 1 cent in very fine condition represents more than just a small copper coin. It is a historic piece from the very first year of the memorial design, a coin that draws the fascination of collectors thanks to its legacy and the occasional rare varieties that achieve big auction attention. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned numismatist, coins like this remind us that treasures still exist in the world of everyday currency, waiting to be discovered by those who pay attention. Keep searching, keep learning, and who knows, your next rare coin find could be closer than you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more rare coin knowledge and exciting discoveries. See you in the next video, and happy collecting!